my channel. My name is Ariel, Miss Ariel Bella. This is Miss Ariel Bella TV, honey. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I used, y'all know, jacket, 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 jacket. I created this look, honey. Just keep watching, comment, rate, subscribe, drop down below what you want to see next on my channel. If y'all want me to see me do more makeup on other people, on clients, just let me know. You know, it's a vibe, so I want to do whatever y'all want to do. So yeah, keep on watching.
Okay, so I'm going to start off with the Paint Pot in Soft Ochre by MAC, and I'm using a e.l.f. brush to apply this product all over my eyelid. And we're going to take the color Edges, and this is going to be our transition color. I'm using a Morphe blending brush. Next, I'm taking this color called Credit, and I'm placing it right underneath the first brown color that I set down, the Edges color. And I went in with a more like tapered brush by Morphe. And what I'm doing, I decided to place the color all over my crease and outer V. Kind of like a halo eye a little bit. This is such a pretty like chocolate brown color. Then I'm taking that color at the end, and this is another Morphe brush, and I'm just placing it all over my mobile lid. I decided to use my finger. With my finger, it just gave it more color payoff. And then I just went back in with the first color to blend out the top. I'm taking a lighter shade in the palette. I'm using another Wet n Wild brush to apply it all over my lid. Miami liner by the Crayon Case. And then next I'm taking the primer by Milk Cosmetics, placing it all over my skin. I'm using NC55 Studio Fix Foundation by MAC, and I'm using a Real Technique brush to blend out the foundation on my skin. Don't forget your forehead, ladies. and your hairline. Very important. No mask. We're not wearing no mask on our face. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer, J9. I love this concealer, it's so pretty. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Rihanna Pro Filter concealer in 330 just to give myself a little bit more brightness. Blending it out with a Real Technique sponge. And then next I'm just taking my MAC translucent powder and using the setting my concealer. And then I'm going to take my Studio Fix powder NC47 and set my entire face, and also use the powder to sweep away the excess translucent powder I placed to set my concealer, except for underneath my eyes, of course. We're gonna bronze with this MAC contour highlighting blush set, which I absolutely love. And then I'm taking Defiantly Black in my waterline. I'm also going to tight line as well. This is a MAC mascara that I'm using to blend in my top lashes. And then the colors I put in my crease, I'm putting underneath my lash line. And I'm just gonna sweep away that excess powder. I'm gonna contour my nose with that MAC contour palette. Next, from that MAC contour palette, I'm gonna go in with the blush color. So pretty. It's just enough colors and not too much at all. Then for my lips, I am going in with, I believe this is I don't know the lip liner. It's from the Shayla collection. It's a dark brown lip liner. I'll have it down below. But I totally forgot which lip liner it is. You just take a brown lip liner. And then this lipstick is by Lancome. So pretty. It's one of my favorite neutral lipsticks. taking a MAC lipstick. It's called Tanorama. And I'm just placing it right in the middle for an extra little sheen. Alright, you guys, that's the completed look. And thank y'all so much for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe on what you want to see next. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.